barren all on a Wiener Wednesday night at the ballpark. Welcome back, everyone. Bet you didn't expect to see that on your television. Jalen Miller on to pitch the 7th, and he hits Chris Conley in the ankle. A stinger. Miller throws hard. Conley's got no protection on the ankle. You get a fastball in the high 90s, banging right up against the bone, where he had nothing but a sock protecting. Conley might not be able to stay in the game. Now, the only milkman on the bench is his fellow catcher, Christian Correa, who started the last couple games for Milwaukee. So we might see Correa come in as a pinch runner and also a defensive replacement. But certainly hope Conley's okay, because that's a stinger. He might have a baseball-sized bump there tomorrow. Ooh. Hurts just watching. Oh, I feel for the guy. Leading 6th win. But now it's up to Miller and the bullpen to hold down the fort. Runner at first, Aaron Hill fouls one off. Well, last time Chris Conley was on the base paths, he was at second base and tried to steal third. He was thrown out to end the 5th. He's not very fleet of foot. And now one of his feet is pretty sore, so I don't think we're going to see Conley doing much. But credit him for staying in the game. He gets a tip of my cap. Rip and a miss from Hill. That was a fastball at 98. Runner at first with no one out. Miller pitched last night. 1 inning. No runs, no hits, and 3 strikeouts. That was in the 7th yesterday. Now, he also led off that inning by hitting Logan Trowbridge. Then he got 3 strikeouts in a row. Maybe Miller can do it all over again. Well, he's a third of the way there. Hill goes down.
Center fielder, number 8, Brett Verdigan.
Well, Miller always leads with his fastball. Used it there, very well located. To Verdigan now with ball 1. Dogs by 3 in the top of the 7th. Powered by 4 home runs. Verdigan a cut and a miss. Joey Turdoslavich, Tyler Ladendorf, and 2 from Casey Hobson. All of the Dogs' home runs tonight coming by way of the long ball. Floated for strike 2. Breaking pitch from Miller, which we usually only see about 20% of the time. Conley at first, hobbled after he was hit in the ankle. Vertigan, the pesky leadoff man. Upstairs for ball 2. Miller on the season with 30 strikeouts to just 5 walks. Ball from Vertigan, he stays alive. Keeps it 2-2. Runner at first with 1 out. Dangerous David Washington looming on deck. 2-2 pitch. Up the middle, center field, Kraus lets it bounce. Tying run to the plate for Milwaukee, and it's their hottest hitter.
First baseman, number 25, David Washington.
Washington is hitless tonight, but coming in
Christian Correa
into the game. So Dorminey, the starter, threw 103 pitches. And then in our M&M limousine and bus call to the bullpen, Jalen Miller came in, hit a batter, struck 1 out, and then gave up a Brett Vertigan single. 2 on and 1 out for David Washington. He represents the tying run. Little pickle for Miller. With Miller, you often know where he's going. Unlike Dorminey, who's got 5 distinct pitches up his sleeve and mixes it up real well. Washington pretty much knows where Miller's going to go more often than not. The fastball. That's what he got with the first pitch. Now here is the second. Fastball runs in. 1-1. So it's Correa at second, Vertigan at first. Single out for Washington. Milwaukee in a 3-run hole. There's a slider for ball 2. Dogs with an infield shift. Washington's a pull hitter. Can hit the ball hard. Hits this one hard but foul. Strike 2. Big pitch here to Washington. Stays alive. Squeeze always a comfort. Miller twirling the ball in his hand, and now he's ready. Jalen to the plate. Ground ball foul. Well, Washington's a pro. Working a professional at-bat, the former big leaguer. He made it to baseball's biggest stage as a Baltimore Oriole. It's his first season in the American Association. Five home runs and 11 doubles, which ranks second in the league. And now Washington with the 2-2 count. Another foul. Well, professional hitters piece together at-bats like this. The longer into a count you go, the more you can say advantage hitter. Let's see if Miller can retake control. 2 on and 1 out. Jalen comes set. And out of the plate. Upstairs. Full count. Washington's 0 for 3 with a pair of strikeouts. Up to 50 on the season, which leads the league. And Miller's a strikeout pitcher. Recipe for success. High pop up, left side. Malazzo, serious chase. And that ball's fair. Christian Correa scores. It's a ground rule double. The Milkmen are within 2 and have the tying run at second base.
Left fielder, number 7, Logan
Pop
Trotter.
up against a serious shift. And that ball bouncing out of play might have saved another run. Schumann getting loose. Scott Schumann, right-hander.
Calling all Parrot Heads. Jimmy Buffett Night is coming to Impact Field Saturday,
Corey
August
Dommel to
22nd.
chat with his man.
We'll have margarita-themed
So
fun
if that
all
ball
night
didn't
long.
bounce
Call
out of
the dogs
play
or go online
and end
to
up as a ground rule double,
thechicagodog.com to get your tickets for Jimmy
Ferguson might have
Buffett Night.
scored from third. But instead he's held up there. So it stays a 2-run game. Trowbridge on. He takes a strike. Curveball from Miller. Washington at second, Vertigan at third. Suddenly the Milkmen within 2, and the leading run is at the plate. Miller from the stretch. Gets a line drive that's snagged by Hobson. He'll go to second for the double play. What a play from Casey Hobson. Serious hops.
Stretch. Everyone on your feet and please join
He had
the
a
dog
stretch for
squad
that
in
one,
singing
and
"Take
now
Me
we
Out
go to the Miller
Ball
Lite.
Game."
7th inning stretch.